In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create price and indicator alerts in the Exness terminal on your browser. We'll start by getting into the right workspace. Log into your personal area, then launch the Exness terminal. Once you're in, take a moment to open the built-in trading guide if you need a quick refresher on the interface. This guide is helpful if you're new to the layout, and it sits alongside your chart tools. Make sure your internet connection is stable so your charts and alerts update in real time. With the terminal open, head to the chart of the instrument you plan to monitor so your alert will be tied to the correct market. Next, your browser may prompt you to allow notifications. When you see the small pop-up near the address bar, click Allow. This permission lets the terminal send alerts even if you're on another tab or the window is minimized. If you prefer to change this later, you can adjust notification permissions in your browser's site settings at any time. If you accidentally clicked Block, simply revisit the site permissions, switch it to Allow, and refresh the page. Granting notifications ensures you won't miss an important price move or indicator signal. Now let's create the alert. On your chart, select the instrument you want to track to confirm it's active. Look for the alert function, usually shown as a bell icon on or near the chart toolbar. Click it to open the alert panel. You can create a price-based alert, which triggers when the market moves above or below a specific level, or an indicator-based alert, which watches for a condition from tools like moving averages or oscillators. For a price alert, choose the condition, set the exact price level, and confirm. For indicator alerts, select the indicator and the event you want, such as a crossover or threshold breach, and match it to the time frame you're analyzing. Before saving, add a short note so you remember why you set the alert and check optional settings like expiration if available. A helpful tip is to place a test alert slightly above or below the current price to ensure notifications arrive as expected. On many charts, you can drag the alert line to fine-tune the level without reopening the panel, and you can create multiple alerts to cover both upside and downside scenarios. Once everything looks good, save the alert and keep the terminal running in your browser. With notifications allowed, you'll be promptly informed when your condition is met.